There's some pictures of northern lights and people in these like zodiacs going out in life suits, and I was like, that seems interesting. That's the sort of environment I want to learn in.
It gives our students a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to go and study at one of our partner institutions. We have 3 destinations where we can send students. The University's Research Centre in Svalbard, and that's in Norway, and that's via our link with the University of Bergen. We can also send students to the University of Bergen itself, where there's a great Department of Geography. And then our human geographers can also go to the University of Groningen, which is in the Netherlands, and they can study at the Institute of Spatial Sciences, which again provides a wide range of courses linked to urban development, regeneration and spatial policies, I think, that so many of our students like to study.
I got to go study up in Svalbard, which is one of the archipelagos up in the Arctic Circle. These field trips are the best field trips probably on Earth that you can do in geography. The first one was half a trip on a boat, so you're on a cruise, a big ship, and the other half was based on a glacier. So what happened was we got in these zodiacs, these tiny little rubber boats, shot off around the island. We went to this cabin that was just situated probably about 100 metres off this huge glacier, and the cabin was fantastic. It was like bunk beds and big stoves and stuff like this, get your own ice, melt it, cooking and stuff like that. So we stayed there for a few days and did a lot of sampling up on the glaciers, some work up on there, looking at morphology and how it's changing and retreating and stuff like that. And then the boat stuff was more like Arctic based, so we took some cores from the ocean, pulled them up, cut them open, then we did a lot of analysis on them, looking at the fauna in there and stuff like that, just looking at like the sediment profiles to gain like a view of how history has changed since the island's been moving around over the world.
Employers in a competitive market love the fact that students have gone and done something different. They've shown an independence, an aptitude for working and living and studying in different cultural environments. It also enhances their study skills, so students learn different techniques. Many of our courses involve a lot of field work, which is great for geographers, and of course they can bring those skills back here, and that enhances their experience when they get back to Reading.
It offered, for me, it was such a challenge and it was such a great environment. And it's the sort of area that I think I might progress onto in my future.